So today I'm going to show you how to draw in Notion without embedding any links. You can do that in 2026. You just need to install this extension called JotLayer. It's a Chrome Web Store extension. You have to install it in your browser, and you just have to go to your Notion page, and then you will be able to see a toolbar like this, and it has several tools like pen tool, arrow tools, and also rectangle and text tool. If you want to draw, just select the pen tool here and also select the color you want, and then draw anywhere you want. So you can see I was able to draw this drawing without embedding anything in my Notion page. So most important thing is it stays within the place you place it even though you scroll it. And if you refresh the page, you will be still able to see the drawing you just created. And you can place arrows, and also you can add text to the notebook and place them anywhere you want. And then you can move it around if you decide that the place you place it here is in the place you want to place it. So you can just move it around, and also you can delete the text box here. Then you can place rectangles. If you decide to draw any flowchart, you can place rectangles, and also you can place text inside it. And that's how you are able to draw anything in Notion without embedding. It's pretty easy. You just have to install this extension on your browser. Then after that, you are good to go. It's a free extension, so install it now and enjoy the freehand drawing in Notion without embedding any links.